Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report from my friend Patrick in North Carolina on the RCI-2995DXHP. Patrick, got it ready to go for you, bud. High cut filter, amp switch right there on the back, tune alignment, Toshiba voltage regulator, unlock the clarifier. Got your mic adapter here. So let's just get right to it. Start with RF power all the way down, 250 watt slug. 5 watts all the way down, 60 all the way up. Show you average power swing, low 125, 500 watt slug and peak, hello, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 250 plus. All right, Patrick, we'll get it out to you, man. I appreciate it. Your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum, bum.